Ubersuggest SEO Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Ubersuggest are in the description below. Let's get straight into it. Ubersuggest, created by Neil Patel, is an all-in-one SEO tool designed for marketers, bloggers, and business owners who want to improve their website search rankings. It provides keyword research, backlink analysis, competitor insights, and site audits, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced users. One of its standout features is the keyword suggestion tool, which gives data on search volume, competition, and CPC, helping users identify the best keywords to target. The tool also includes a content ideas feature, which suggests trending topics based on what's performing well in search results. The strengths of Ubersuggest lie in its simplicity, affordability, and feature set. Unlike some competitors, it offers a generous free version with essential SEO data, making it accessible to small businesses and individuals. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making SEO less intimidating for beginners. Another major advantage is its competitor analysis, allowing users to see which keywords and backlinks are driving traffic to their rivals, providing actionable insights for their own strategies. Additionally, the site audit tool helps identify technical SEO issues and provides recommendations for improvements. However, Ubersuggest does have some weaknesses. While it's a great starting point, its data isn't always as comprehensive or accurate as more advanced tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. The backlink database in particular is smaller, meaning it might not capture as many link opportunities as competitors. Another downside is that the free version has strict daily limits, and even the paid plans may feel limited for larger business or agencies that need in-depth SEO analysis. So, is Ubersuggest worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly SEO tool with solid keyword research and competitor insights, it's a great choice. However, if you need highly detailed data and advanced backlink tracking, you might want to explore premium alternatives. Check the link in the description to try Ubersuggest and see if it fits your SEO needs.